Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sound with your hands. Most people, when they make sounds with their hands, they do it by clapping or by snapping their fingers. Now, there is another way of making sounds with your hands, and that is this one. Or how I prefer to do it. And the way this works is that your hands are concave. The center of your hand is below the surrounding area. So if you put one hand against another, they act like two suction cups. But if you just merely press them against one against the other, this doesn't work. Because there is an area here that creates a hole. So what you have to do is rotate one hand against the other. And once you do that, you basically turn them into two suction cups. You can force the air out and that makes a sound. And you can then release the seal and let the air back in and that makes a sound. And if you do it repeatedly, that's the way it works. The other way that I do it is I just put the bottom part of my hand against the palm of the other, and then I move the other up and turn it around. And that creates the seal. Now, some people say that what happens is that by excluding the air from in between the palms of the hands, you create a vacuum. And that when you release the vacuum sucks the air in and that creates that sound. That is not the way it works. Vacuums do not suck. It is the atmosphere that pushes. Above you right now, there is a column of air that is hundreds of miles high. And the combined weight of that column of air, at least at sea level, causes a pressure of 14.7 pounds per square inch. So when you exclude the air from in between the palms of your hands, you create a low pressure area. And then all that column of air, all that air is trying to get in, to fill that low pressure area. That is why when you release the seal, you hear that sound. That is the air getting in. Okay, so today I've shown you another way of making sound with your hands. Now you can clap, you can snap your fingers, and you can also do this. And I don't have a name for it. So why don't you leave a comment in the video or in the post in my blog and let me know what name to give to it. Okay? So thank you for your attention and see you in a while. Bye.